You're gonna need a spray bottle of some sort that's filled with water, and the spray bottle will make this job a whole lot easier. So I highly recommend you get a spray bottle. This was about, I'd say like $1 at Target. You're gonna need some hydrogen peroxide, preferably 3%. But if you don't have 3%, we can always dilute it down with water. Also gonna need some paper towels, a plastic baggie, one that is sealable, Sharpie or something to mark the plastic baggie. And of course, we're gonna need some sunflower seeds. And so this is the complete kit of what you need. And then later on, you're gonna need a bowl of dirt, but you know, that comes later. So first, you're gonna take your spray bottle and fill it up with water about 9/10 of the way. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill the rest up with hydrogen peroxide. Then we're gonna take our paper towel and just spray the paper towel down with the little mixture that we just created. Then we're gonna grab our sunflower seeds and just put the seeds right onto the paper towel. Then we're gonna fold this over. And just spray it down again. Then we're just gonna wrap it up. Then we're gonna grab our plastic bag and our Sharpie and write the date on it. Then we're just gonna take this, put some air in it, and just place that inside the bag. Then seal the bag up and place this in a warm, sunny spot until the seeds start to germinate. Here's some seeds I started just a few days ago on July 11. We can open these up. Whoa. And we can see that they already started to sprout. Very, very quickly. So these are ready to be planted. So now with this, we're just gonna grab our soil and start to plant these little seeds in. So I'm gonna dig a small hole and just place them in. So I'm just gonna give this a little bit of a spritz of our same hydrogen peroxide water mixture. And then I'm just gonna place these in a really nice, warm, sunny area. So in about 2 to 3 months, you should expect to see something like this. So mine are just now starting to bloom. So I will give you guys an update when the flowers actually bloom.